Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and thanks for stopping in today because I'm going to show you how to make a delicious creamy chicken Florentine soup recipe. The first thing we're going to do is start with a delicious Heinen's rotisserie chicken that you can get from the hot food section of Heinen's. We're just going to carve it and large dice it. Set that to the side. Then next in a large pot, we are going to add some olive oil. Next, what we want to do is add in some mirepoix. That's starting with some yellow onions, garlic, a little bit of celery, and carrots. And then over medium to medium high heat, we're going to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. You may get a little brown just like this. This is absolutely perfect. And then at this point, we're going to add in a lot of ingredients, beginning with that large diced chicken. Next, we're going to add in some Yukon potatoes, some Great Northern beans, some diced tomatoes, and then, of course, we're going to add in some Italian seasoning, which is going to help bring about a lot of flavor into this soup. Now what we want to do is add in some chicken stock. We are going to turn the heat on to high. What we want to do is cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. It may come to a boil. We just want the potatoes to be tender. Now what we want to do is add in some cream cheese, a little bit of shredded mozzarella cheese, and then of course some baby spinach. Don't worry, this seems like a lot, but it will wilt and cook down quite a bit. Season it well with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Then using a spoon, mix everything together. Again, we are on high heat. What we want to do is make sure the cream cheese and the mozzarella cheese are completely cooked into the soup so it's nice and smooth. This, my friends, is absolutely perfect. We're going to serve it up in a bowl. Feel free to garnish with chives or with fresh chopped parsley.